You've probably seen this tiny jar at home, and you're likely using it wrong, thinking it's just for grandma's feet or basic dry skin. But what if I told you this $3 jar could make your face look sharper, your skin healthier, and your overall attractiveness noticeably higher in minutes? Models and stylists quietly use Vaseline tricks to look effortlessly polished and camera ready. I've personally tested and researched everything about Vaseline, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn this tiny jar into a full face grooming weapon, replacing all the expensive products you're wasting money on with 6 simple hacks. Hack number 1, the tired eye reset. Dark circles and hollow shadows kill masculine presence and make you look weak. Here's the fix. Wash your face before sleep. Take less than a rice grain of Vaseline and gently tap under the eyes. Don't rub. Don't touch the lash line. Sleep. Next morning, softer shadows, calmer eyes, stronger presence. But most guys smear it randomly. That makes eyes greasy, not sharp. Vaseline doesn't hydrate. It locks hydration in. Use it like a shield. Now your eyes aren't sabotaging you. But one thing is silently ruining your close conversations. Hack number 2, lips detail upgradation. Cracked lips are a silent attraction killer. People won't say it, but they notice instantly. Before stepping out, apply a micro layer of Vaseline. Press your lips together once to spread it evenly. Result: soft, healthy lips. Takes seconds. Most guys over-apply or keep reapplying. That creates a glossy, fake finish. A tiny layer gives a clean, mature look. So next time, people notice your confidence, not dry distraction. Hack number 3, eyebrow frame illusion. Brows frame your eyes. Thin or flat brows make your face lose structure. In photos and real life, messy, weak brows equals unfinished face. Top models know this. Most guys ignore it. Take a tiny amount of product on your fingertip. Brush your brows upward. Result: fuller brows, better control, stronger upper face. Structured brows look more model-like. Hack number 4, the glass skin trick. People think glow equals oily skin. Wrong. Real glow is controlled by light reflection. It makes your bone structure visible, not greasy. Most guys either skip it or overdo it. For subtle glass skin, rub a tiny amount between your palms. Lightly tap on cheekbones and jaw. Result: sharper definition, HD level detail. But the next hack I'm about to show you, even expensive products can't replicate. Hack number 5, the hair structure polish. Messy hair ruins your look. No expensive product fixes bad flyaways, but here's the model trick. Take a microscopic amount of Vaseline. Rub it between your fingers. Lightly touch flyaways or hair tips only. Cleaner hair, sharper style, intentional look. Combine this with the skin tricks and your grooming levels up instantly. Hack number 6, the face card strategy. Most YouTube advice gets this wrong. It's not one hack, it's a system. Here's the move. After cleansing at night, apply an ultra-thin layer on dry spots. Sleep. Within a week, calmer texture, more uniform skin. Most guys spend more and look average. You use this simple product strategically and your face looks intentional, sharp, high value. But now your face card is upgraded. But here's the uncomfortable truth. True grooming isn't random. It's built from precise, small details most men ignore. So if you still get bad haircuts, you might be ruining your face. To level up your looks, click the video showing on your screen.